Celio is a French brand, as you would know. It's probably one of the largest brands of men's apparel in France and also in continental Europe. We, in fact, came to India about 5 years ago. We have about 41 stores of our own in India, and we are also available through departmental stores, which is Shoppers Stop, Lifestyle, Pantaloon, and Central. And we are also present in the e-commerce sites through marketplaces. So we are available in Myntra, Jabong, Amazon and shopperstop.com. So that's our presence in India over the last 5 years. So we are actually an urban menswear brand. Okay, so we largely cater to stylish fashion for men, not very difficult to wear, not very expensive, quite affordable. And we basically provide the latest international style and fashion for menswear in India. All the products that you see of Celio in India are designed in France. While some of it is made in India, it's also made across the world. Celio is available, as you would probably know, in about 65 countries. Internationally, Celio makes about 4 crore garments per annum. So in India also, in India we almost make 1 million garments. So South India, as a business, we are about 35% of the business comes from South of India. I would say 3 key markets in South of India. One is Bangalore, one is Hyderabad, and one is Chennai. I rate Hyderabad as a very, very good market because people in Hyderabad are largely well-traveled. I think propensity to spend on fashion is quite high in Hyderabad, and traditionally it's been a very strong fashion market for a long, long time, the market. And I would say denim wear business in Hyderabad has been probably the highest across the south of India, I would say, for the last 10 to 15 years. So when we came to Hyderabad also, we saw more acceptance for the product that Celio sells and also the price points that Celio sells it in, especially in a city like Hyderabad. So what we're doing for the city of Hyderabad, we just recently, in fact in the last, maybe about last 6 to 8 months time, we opened 2 stores. We opened one in the Manjeera Mall in Kukatpalli. We also opened another store very recently in Forum Sujana Mall in Hyderabad. We are already present in Jubilee Hills, road number 36, and we are also present in Somajiguda as a market. There are not too many new malls that have come up in Hyderabad, so whenever there is a new opportunity, we will definitely be there. We are also present at the Hyderabad airport through Shoppers Stop. But of course, if there is an opportunity coming up in terms of high streets or standalone stores, we'll of course be quite interested to be in Hyderabad. So that's it. But we are also present in quite a few Shopper Stops. We are also present in Lifestyle and Central in Hyderabad. So even if there are not too many physical stores possible, there is also departmental stores that we are selling through.